What's up mga malaga? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark Banuelos, your Millennial Hustler. And yun na nga, sa channel na to ay pag-uusapan natin yung mga business tips and tricks, life lessons, marketing ideas, and anything in between. And para hindi tayo nagbihis for the past 3 videos, so this is actually a long video na kinakat ko. So in this video, I'll be talking ano yung primary concern before ka mag-start ng online business. A lot of us actually parang nagja-jump na lang doon sa idea na mag-online business ako and I have to do this, magbibenta ako ng ganito without considering a lot of things. When they jump on that certain kind of activity, ang nangyayari is nagagalusan sila or hindi sila nakakakuha ng tamang timing the moment that they're going to jump, the moment that they're going to start. So ano yung primary thing na dapat ginagawa before we will actually start selling online? So the first thing that we have to do is actually to do research. I always tell them to my students that we cannot go away with research. Even if we're doing business, dapat nagre-research pa rin tayo. In what way? Ito yung pinakauna primary thing na ginagawa, pinakaunang bagay na ginagawa. We should have to research kung sino yung customers or kung ano yung klaseng customers na tina-target natin. Ang tawag natin doon is environmental scanning. We have to know kung ano yung mga pangyayari sa paligid natin and come up with an opportunity kung ano yung dapat na i-offer mo in response to the needs na nakita mo sa kanila. You should have to look for an opportunity through research. Ang tawag natin doon is opportunity seeking. So dapat maging opportunity seeker ka muna before ka magbenta ng mga kung ano-ano, because ang tendency is you might offer something different or not suitable para sa kanila, and in turn, yun yung mga rason bakit nalugi ako or bumenta yung products ko. I suck at entrepreneurship, hindi para talaga sa akin yung pagninegosyo. Pero if we keep on planning it, if we keep an eye about research, about planning, we can actually become successful sa bagay na ginagawa natin. Research is very important because if you are not going to do research and talaga magda-dive ka lang doon sa pagninegosyo or pag-online selling or kung sa pagbebenta mismo, ang tendency is you might lose your way and may mga bagay na hindi mo nakikita or hindi mo mapo-foresee. So for example, mag-aangkat ka na lang ng ganitong product tapos ibebenta mo. Itatry ko lang. Pero pag titingnan mo, nakaspend ka na pala ng 5,000 pesos pero hindi bumenta yung product. Or nakaspend ka na pala ng 10,000 pesos and ganito na. Or may contract ka na pala na na-sign na magiging distributor ka pero in turn pala hindi siya patok doon sa market na tina-target mo. So it's very important that you should have or you should do a research on the market that you're going to target. Ano yung target? Ano yung targeting? Meaning to say, yung mga tao or yung mga specific type of market na gusto mong pagbentahan ng product mo or gusto mong ofera ng product mo. So, ang tawag doon is market positioning. So, how are you gonna position your possible product doon sa target market mo? So, makaka-position ka lang sa market mo if only alam mo yung mga needs nila. So you should have to do environmental scanning. Alam mo yung needs nila, alam mo yung gusto nila, alam mo yung preferences nila, alam mo yung favorite color nila, alam mo yung income status nila on average, and alam mo yung lifestyle nila. Kasi for example, if you are selling phone cases, pero yung market mo naman is yung mga cellphone nila is hindi naman Android, yung mga yung mga keypad lang, in which I love using them. So, hindi angkop yung product na ino-offer mo dun sa need nila. So, importante na malaman mo yung need before ka mag-offer ng possible product. Because ang online selling is actually a direct aid. Parang parang gamot siya, parang first aid siya doon sa mga pangangailangan ng tao na tina-target mo. It's actually a first aid. So, you should have to position yourself as a first aider. So parang ikaw yung tutulong sa mga pangangailangan nila. So it's very important. That's why yung primary thing dapat na ginagawa ng isang entrepreneur before sila nag-start ng online business or ng business or kung ano man dapat nagre-research muna. So, we can never go wrong with research. Most of the time, talagang nagsasucceed kapag pinaplano, may research. Because this times, ang panglaban talaga natin is data, information. If you are rich with information, you can do a lot of strategies and marami kang magagawa kapag marami kang data, marami kang information, marami kang alam sa possible market na tina-target mo. So, it's actually a weapon. Parang sandata mo siya for you to be able to succeed on the field na papasukin mo. Yun yung parang sabi sa libro ni Sun Tzu, yung libro na Art of War. It's very important. If you have time, you can search Art of War. Pwede nyo pong basahin. It's a very good marketing textbook and pwede nyo pong maging reference yon sa gagawin ninyong mga endeavors, lalong-lalo na sa pagbebenta. If you have some questions, you can comment down below, and if you have some suggestions or gusto nyo po akong i-bash, mag-comment lamang po kayo sa comment section. I'm encouraging you all to speak up about this, and it's good time, it's high time na dapat tayo pong lahat, yung mga Pilipino, especially millennials, should have an enterprising mind. Yung pag-iisip dapat natin is should have to do business and do this and do that, do some stuffs, and that way we will not just be helping ourselves, but we are helping our economy. So we should do this with a greater cause. Okay, so that will be all for this video, and thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for your continued support, and thank you so much for watching this video. Kung nakaabot ka sa point na to ng pag-watch ng aking video, thank you so much. I really appreciate your effort na mag-extend ng time mo, precious time mo, and thank you so much. And if may makita kayong ads, please huwag niyo pong skip. I would be very glad if you could support me all the way. And maraming salamat po for subscribing. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please consider subscribing. Alright, okay, so that will be all for this video. I'll see you again next time.